with a little T-Bird with a 302.
Could be. Definitely it's not a 292.
Yeah.
292 had the big exhaust.
So look at the bolts on the bell housing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do I do? Boy, they did some writing on that. Nice handwriting. Yeah. 673. There's the black wheels. Pretty clean.
I'm not a fan of Cleveland at all.
Good day, we just watch them come in.
Huh?
Just grab our chairs and watch them come in.
Yeah.
There's another Studi.
Yeah, that's an earlier model than the ones over there. That's the one that had the Lark front end on it.
Yeah. '63, yeah, we might as well sit down and watch them come in. He wants what? 40 for the... Oh, come on. Which key are you? Yo.
Grab the green one. I'll take the red one. The right one, I take it off.
My God, where'd you get these at? Dollar store?
No, $5 a piece. And the one with the table arm on it, paid 20 for a Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
And then I got a block.
Oh, I hope it holds my weight.
Mike sits in that. That's Mike's chair. When we were sitting outside,
Yeah.
he always had one of the green chairs. This is the way to do it, right? There's a jag. Lady model jag too. They're all about the India Jaguar.
So the engine in those are shit, right?
Huh?
The motors in those are crap.
No, they were good.
They're putting, Interjag was putting big block Chevys in them.
Well, they put them in. Now the big Jag now's got a Ford motor, 4.6 Ford.
Okay, let's see how many you can name. A Skylark.
Yeah, beauty.
There's your Apache right there.
Yeah, 68, 59. Oh, that's a Canyon. It's got the side view.
69 Camaro.
Blue side.
There's a little Datsun
Yeah,
pickup. 1600.
620. Well, I had a 1600, a 2000. That's probably over. See how narrow the cab is on the back?
Yeah. Looks like a Chevy Love. Yeah, Volkswagen. Whoa. Is that Spala? No? Okay. Man, those were easy to drive. I like those wheels on that. Looks cool.
Yeah.
57 four slammer. Where'd that be? Heard it. No, you got some issues going on there. You got something going on with that.
I was talking to that guy over that T-Bird.
Yeah.
They had a 292 and he yanked out and put that 302 in. He had none for trouble at 292.
Oh, 60, 67.
There's a 64 Chevy right there.
54, you mean?
So, 54, yeah. Look at the taillights on that compared to the taillights on that 53.
They're
See,
bigger.
The grill's got more bars in
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And the headlights are recessed a little bit on the 54.
Right, right.
And the taillight. Now look at the taillight on this one as it goes by.
Yeah.
That's the taillight compared to this one.
A lot bigger.
Taillights are flush. And that one's got the,
Right, right, right.
see?
Yeah, I see now it doesn't have the reflector in the center.
The front body, things are Pontiacs and all those. GMC right there.
V6 had that big V6 in there.
1,000 pounds that engine.
Yeah. Monster motor. It's like, how many cubic inches was that?
Let's see, I can't remember. 403 or something like that. John, yeah, look at the rust on the side of that. I think that vinyl rust.
Yeah. Call that air conditioning now.
There's a Chevy truck. It looks like a Datsun truck. Look how small that truck looks.
Yeah, these look small with no extended cabs. Here's another one.
They're dinky.
Yeah. No payload capacity, that's for sure.
Probably must have a ton of people working there.
Let's show trucks. I'm gonna hold up.